Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to set the camera to capture motion photo before the shutter only. Okay, for this open the camera. First of all, we need to enable the motion photo. So on the top, you can see this is for the motion photo icon. First of all, we need to enable this one. You can see motion photo on. If you're not able to view the motion icon here, just tap on here and tap on here. You can see that motion photo, the icon for the motion photo. Okay, now go to the settings, tap on advanced picture options. Here you can see the option motion photo capture. So if you want to set the camera to capture the motion photo only before the shutter, you need to select the option before shutter only. Okay, after select this one, then when you take a motion photo, then it will capture only the motion only before the shutter button. Okay, so simply in this way we can set the camera to capture motion photo only before the shutter in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.